Marriott's early expansion strategy included acquiring several restaurant chains, notably Big Boy, which significantly influenced its growth. This strategic acquisition bolstered their market presence. The launch of Roby's House of Beef underscored the competitive nature of the restaurant industry, leading to trademark disputes with similarly named entities. This scenario exemplifies the challenges inherent in brand naming. In response to trademark complications, Roy Rogers, the iconic Western film star, partnered with Marriott to rebrand Roby's. This collaboration highlights the fascinating intersection of entertainment and business, further enhancing the brand's visibility. The original menu featured fried chicken, roast beef sandwiches, and hamburgers, appealing to a wide array of preferences. This extensive variety successfully attracted a diverse customer base to the restaurants. Roy Rogers' fast food chains swiftly garnered popularity, with numerous locations opening throughout the Northeast. This rapid growth showcased the brand's compelling appeal and effective marketing techniques. The introduction of a Fixins bar enabled customers to personalize their meals, significantly enhancing the dining experience. This innovative concept contributed to the restaurant's distinctive identity in the fast food sector. As the brand transitioned from Marriott to Hardee's, many locations either changed hands or were acquired by competitors such as Wendy's and McDonald's. Despite the passing of Roy Rogers in 1998, the brand continues to thrive, with the Plamondon family preserving its legacy and ownership. Today, Roy Rogers restaurants are located in various states, marking a significant milestone of 50 years in business in 2018, and they continue to expand their footprint.